The RainKing Marketo Connector is a feature we can quickly and easily enable in the RainKing platform for you. Once the connector is on, you can select it and navigate out to the connector configuration. The connection is established by using the Marketo SOAP API. The SOAP API can be found in your instance of Marketo under Admin and then SOAP API. All Marketo admin accounts have access to this SOAP API. We just copy and paste out this information and drop it into the connector configuration. Once it's in, we'll click Update and we've established a connection between RainKing and Marketo. The connection is really that easy. From there, we can map out the fields. If you've imported leads into Marketo from other sources, you're probably used to this exercise. With the RainKing Marketo Connector, we map the fields once and then they're set. We can export to either the lead database or to a specific program list. This is just a matter of preference, whether you want to send leads from RainKing directly to your lead database or if you have specific campaigns in place that you want to send leads to. You can even set both options and toggle between the two before different sends. On the left side, you'll see all available fields from RainKing, and on the right are all available fields for Marketo. If you want to map over custom fields from RainKing, for example, the RainKing Contact ID or some of your prediction engine ranks, we'll need to build that field in Marketo, and then the connector will pick up the field and we can map it. It's a pretty straightforward process. Once everything is mapped out, just select Save Mapping, and now you've connected RainKing and Marketo and mapped the two. You can close this out and forget about it. Inside of RainKing now, you'll get the option to push selected leads over to Marketo, so you can run your prediction engine and searches, select your leads, and then push them over to Marketo. It's that simple. Inside of Marketo, we can find the leads and all mapped information from these leads will come through. So this is a pretty good way to keep your instance of Marketo database up to date with fresh information from RainKing. But further, you can push over the prediction engine ranks and use those characteristics to augment your lead scoring. In this view, I have two prediction engine rankings that help augment lead scoring. So not only am I scoring leads based on their behavior, whether they open my emails, click links, and visit our site, but I'm also augmenting their score based on the qualitative information provided by RainKing. It's a good 1-2 punch for lead scoring. We get the behavior characteristics, those that raise their hands, and the qualitative analytic characteristics driven by RainKing's information and analytics. This should bring your best prospects to the top of the list in Marketo. In addition to simply being an addition to lead scoring in Marketo, the prediction engine ranks can be used for smarter message routing in Marketo. I have some quick examples of this. In my big data campaign, I have a campaign running that takes all leads who come into Marketo in the top 1,000 of the big data prediction engine and adds 10 points to their score. I have another campaign that takes the next 49,000 ranked in the big data prediction engine and adds 5 points to their score. Just as you have behavior scoring models in place, you can add RainKing's analytics to give a better picture of your lead scoring. Further, still in the big data campaign, I can grab a set of leads who rank highly and have a certain job title and run them through their own campaign. So here we take all leads in the top 10,000 who also have certain job titles and run them through a real specific campaign. Bringing in the prediction engine ranks gives you more qualitative intelligence in your lead scoring and message routing that you can get more specific in your outbound campaigns. If you're more specific in your campaigns, you'll get a higher open rate and hopefully a higher conversion rate. So that's where we see the advantages with this connector. It's super easy to set up. You can map your fields once and forget about it. You can push all fresh RainKing information into your instance of Marketo. And you can use the RainKing prediction engine and analytics to help augment your lead scoring and for more specific message routing. This keeps your database up to date and gets the right messages to the right people, increasing your open and conversion rates.